Sup guys, from the last video as you seen I bought a 335i F30 and this is the mod that I'm going to do for it. This is an M3 steering wheel. This is brand new, never used, and before installing it I want to wrap this centerpiece to be piano black so it would fit with the interior trims, and yeah, I think it will look pretty sick. So let's just do a quick wrap, disassemble this, wrap this, put everything back together and install it to the car. Let's go.
There's nobody else can do this job because they got too much feeling.
Alright, so the steering wheel is installed and this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any parts for your BMW modding or tuning, you can get those on bmwmods.com, and for now, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.